Walking through central London, especially Oxford Street, I was confronted with a heartbreaking sight: dozens of homeless individuals sleeping on pavements outside major retail stores, exposed to the cold and rain. This is not just an isolated issue, it's a crisis. The rise in homelessness across the UK is alarming, and we cannot turn a blind eye while fellow human beings suffer. We have a responsibility to take action. Understanding the causes. Homelessness is complex, with multiple underlying causes: lack of affordable housing, rising rents and stagnant wages push people onto the streets. Unemployment and financial hardship. Many live paycheck to paycheck, and a financial crisis can lead to homelessness. Mental health and addiction. Many homeless individuals lack access to proper care and support. Domestic abuse and family breakdown. Victims often flee their homes without financial or social support. Cuts to social services, reduced funding for welfare and housing. Support has left many vulnerable. What can we do to help? 1. Provide immediate assistance. Food and donation drives, distribute meals, hygiene products, and warm clothing. Emergency shelters. Expand and fund temporary housing solutions. 2. Support existing organizations. Crises provides education, training, and support. Shelter advocates for housing rights and assists those at risk. The Trussell Trust operates food banks for those in need. 3. Advocate for systemic change. Push for policy reform. Demands stronger action on housing. Mental health and employment support. Expand social housing. Local councils must provide more affordable housing. Improve mental health services. Increase funding for addiction, recovery, and mental health support. Foster community engagement. Raise awareness. Share real stories and educate the public. Encourage business involvement. Employers can provide job opportunities for those rebuilding their lives. Engage schools and youth. Inspire young people to volunteer and advocate for change. Long-term solutions. Affordable housing development. Invest in social housing and control exploitative rent increases. Employment and skill programs. Provide job training and opportunities for the homeless. Strengthen social safety nets. Ensure welfare programs prevent people from falling into homelessness. Conclusion. A call to action. This isn't just about charity. It's about justice. Every human being deserves dignity, shelter, and stability. We must act now. Whether volunteering, donating, or advocating for change, everyone can contribute. Let's come together, spread love, and ensure no one is left behind. Join the movement. Be part of the solution. Let's change lives.